Hey guys, my name is BlueAli and welcome to my first video in Split. Today I'm going to be showing you how to split vocals and instrumentals from the track that you like. And this website can be used for DJs. Let's say if you're a DJ and you like making remixes of songs, this will be good for you. This website uses world's #1 AI technology to split the vocals and the tracks, and this is actually good. So let's get started. So first up, you load up Chrome, any default browser that you have, and you load up this website called Lalal.ai, and this is a next generation vocal remover and music source separation service for fast, easy, and precise stem extraction. Remove vocal, instrumental, drums, bass, piano, guitar, electric guitar, acoustic guitar, and synthesizer tracks without quality loss. And there is trackages, and if you're looking to buy, you can take a look at this picture, and once you got to know, you can buy it if you want. For now, I have a free package of 10 minutes, and I used only one for one song. So now I'm going to be taking a song which my friend allowed me to take. So give me a second.
Speaking no L on a girl that don't give me the power to push all my troubles away. I'm just so tired of fed.
Okay, now I have the downloaded file. I'm going to be dragging this file into processing. So now our vocals are ready. So let's hear it.
Speaking no L on a girl that don't give me the power to push all my troubles away. I'm just so tired of fat that my chest and my stomach rumbling with guilt every day. I don't want none but the best, but lately my head been convincing me I am the pest.
Okay, that is good. That is good. This can be like a near studio acapella. And let's hear the instrumental. Okay. Nah, I don't think instrumental is good. Now, a tip from me. I have a channel where I make mashups of XXXTentacion called Stitch, and I basically all the vocals that I get are from this website. And a tip for you guys is, I don't think instrumentals will be great for you to split so that you can make mashups or trying to make freestyle with it. So try to find the good instrumentals from YouTube. That's my tip, because like this is an example I have. That ain't good. So only the vocals are good. So please just don't use the website for instrumentals at all. You can use it for vocal, but just don't use it for instrumental, because it isn't good. So now how do I have this process the entire file, but you guys have only like the light $10 or free $0. So when you process the entire file, you will see enter email address, and with that you can just type your email address, and you'll get an authentication login link in your email. Just click that and then you'll be logged in and you can process the entire file. This is for free version only, and this will give you like 10 minutes of the songs that you can process, so use it wisely. Just don't get it over quickly. Now I've processed the entire file. Okay, now you can just download the vocals, and this is the entire file, by the way. And just get that file.
Gave me the power to push all my troubles away. I'm just so tired of fat that my chest and my stomach rumbling with guilt every day. Do a crime and I get put up on a stake, communicating on the decline. Man, how can I manage? Got to a point where I pop me a tat.
That is great. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please press the like button. And if you want these type of videos more, then please hit the subscribe button. And by the way, this YouTube channel is a group of me and my friends. So if you see like in the videos of the featuring TrilordGames, featuring Mr.Unknown, BlueAli, well, these are the members of the group. Yeah, that's about it. And please subscribe to this channel, and please subscribe to my channel also, which is called Stitch. And yeah, goodbye and have a good day.